In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are brand new Salesforce Flow approvals and how to use it. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find approvals in Salesforce, how to create one quickly, and what each choice means so you can get a working process live with confidence. First, sign into your Salesforce org. Once you're on the home page, open Setup. In Lightning, click the gear icon and choose Setup, then select Open Advanced Setup to get to the full admin console. This is where all of the approval features live, along with the tools you'll need to manage the lifecycle of your process over time. In Setup, use the Quick Find box to search for approval processes and click it. An approval process automates how records are reviewed and signed off. Users submit a record, Salesforce checks if it meets your entry criteria, and if it does, the record is routed to the right approver. While it's pending, you can lock the record to prevent edits, send notifications, and, upon approval or rejection, trigger actions like updating fields or sending follow-up emails. Think of it as a reliable, auditable path for business decisions. Now, click Create New Approval Process. You'll be prompted to choose a setup experience. Select Use Jumpstart Wizard. The Jumpstart Wizard is the quickest way to get an approval running with the essential pieces only. It's perfect for simple, single-step approvals or when you want to prototype fast. The standard Setup Wizard, on the other hand, exposes all configuration options up front. Multiple steps, granular actions, email templates, and more. Great for complex multi-tier scenarios. Today, we'll keep it efficient with Jumpstart. Enter a descriptive name for your approval process. As you type, Salesforce automatically generates a unique name behind the scenes. That unique value is just a system identifier. The display name is what admins will see. A helpful tip is to use a naming convention that includes the object and purpose, so it's easy to find later. Next, specify the entry criteria. Choose the fields that determine when a record should enter this approval. You can compare values, use operators like equals or greater than, and combine multiple conditions. This feature is powerful because it keeps the process targeted. For example, you can require approval only when a deal crosses a certain threshold or a status reaches a key stage, ensuring approvers only see what truly needs attention. Finally, click Save. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to Setup, opened approval processes, created a new process with the Jumpstart Wizard, named it, defined entry criteria, and saved your work. You're now set up with a streamlined approval path that's easy to maintain and ready to evolve as your needs grow. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.